Good morning. It's Monday, March 13th, 2017. I'm going to do a quick update and review of the market using some of the tools that I showed in prior videos. I am using HGSI, of course, and I am using intraday data. And I'll just go ahead and update the intraday data manually, and then I'll build indexes, and we'll take a look at the market. Now I'm looking at another computer, and the S&P futures are essentially flat today, so it's not much of a day. You can see it's 11:14 in the morning. I am in my designer, and I'm in the Broad Market Indices folder. I'm going under Tools, and I'm going to rebuild indexes in groups. Now I showed this in detail in a prior video, but this is just going to be a 5 or 10 minute update here, a quick review of the market, just to show you what I do every day. Now, it's going through every one of these indexes and rebuilding them using the data that I just downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and pause this rather than watching each of these, but it'll take a couple of minutes to do. Okay, it's finished, so I'm going to click through to the warehouse view. And the view that I'm using is under, in my Insider Club views, I'll first click on 01, which is top-down analysis, and that shows me the groups with the strongest trends based upon the combo ranking, and you can see that a lot of these trends have turned down. Now in the short term, the SOX is at the top of the list, even though the medium-term trend is down, but notice that the short-term trend is up. Now I'm going to move down to number 2, view number 2, and I'm sorted on raw combo. This shows me that the strength as of just a few minutes ago was in the, or is in the NASDAQ 100, followed by the SOX. If I want to see advancers versus decliners, I just click on this, and this shows me the indexes with the most advancers divided by the decliners. And you can clearly see that the SOX, or the semiconductor indexes, is at the top of the list with a 5-to-1 ratio. I'm going to change to the index group. Now I'm going to move down here to my scorecard view, and I'll sort on raw combo. And this will show me the stocks most in demand as of last night. Now I have just updated the indexes and not the individual stocks, but you can clearly see here that this stock is up again today, and as of Friday it was the stock most in demand. If I sort on the percentage price change one day, you can see that 25 of these stocks are up today. Intel's down today. They bought out or made an offer for MBLY, so consequently their stock is down. Let's just bring up a chart of Applied Materials. And you can see this is an extremely strong stock. It has been for quite some time. You can also see these positive VPA flags which have been signaled. Now this was an excellent buy point here, a pullback. Put the crosshair in here, and you can see that the VPOC, or the volume point of control, turned positive on that same day that there was a confirmation of this no supply flag. The strength seen returning flag was generated the next day, and this stock has not looked back, and that was back at the the closing price was around 32.75 on that day, and currently it is trading up at 38.47. So a great trade in a stock that has stayed well above, for the most part, well above the 18-day exponential moving average. I'm going to move down to the next stock, Broadcom, AVGO. This is the stock that's second in demand, and look at this move up on this stock. Now it's gotten a little choppy up here. We're getting multiple VPA flags in both directions. Today it is generating a flag, a no demand, a sign of weakness, but that really isn't valid until the end of the day, because volume is not being considered for the entire day, only part of the day. Now I'm going to move all the way down to the bottom to CRE. This would be the least in demand. So I'll bring that chart up. And you can see that it looks totally different than Applied or Broadcom. Now we have another option here. I can switch to a different combo. This is my demand intraday end of day. So it is considering the intraday price movement. So let's see if this makes a difference. And now it doesn't make a difference. You can see that these are still all in the same order. So I'll just flip back to the other one, and it did not change. Anyway, that's a 5-minute rundown of to show you how you can go top down and find out where the strength is in the market.